battery. And I got it at Walmart for $60. Plastic. Soft. It does have a giant negative and a giant plus. Once I put the battery in, these little bolts slide in to the slide, and then we'll put the screw in with the lead on. So now we can disconnect our battery terminal. We do negative first. You can see this. We'll get this steering cable out of the way. Negative is off. Take that aside. And positive is off. As you can see, you can zoom up on that. There's some corrosion on the leads. We're going to use that steel brush to just scrape off the corrosion on each side while we have that. At the same time, when I take the battery strap off here, it just pushes down. This is a rubber band type strap. There's a little lip down here. See? Comes up. Battery just pulls in and out. There's my battery. Okay, since I have the leads exposed, I'm going to brush those a little bit. You can see the corrosion coming off right away. Stays in. Lift up my strap. My battery in its tub here. Luckily that didn't go far. It's the nuts for the battery. That's ready. It's in there snug. I'm going to take this and put this belt buckle on the little loop. Make sure that's on good. Okay, sucker's in there snug. Positive on. So I put the starter relay in, the new one. Screwing back together my battery leads, positive first, then negative.